The Internal Revenue Service (IRS) is emphasizing that no action is required by eligible taxpayers for the second round of economic impact payments, EIPs, or stimulus checks. As noted earlier, initial direct deposit payments began arriving as early as last night for some and will continue into next week. Paper checks will begin to be mailed on Wednesday, December 30th. This second round of checks is part of the Coronavirus Response and Relief Supplemental Appropriations Act of 2021, passed by Congress last week and signed into law by President Trump on Sunday night. Some Americans may see the direct deposit payments as pending or as provisional payments in their accounts before the official payment date of January 4, 2021. At least one bank has suggested that paper checks may be post-dated. No matter whether payments are direct deposit or paper checks, they are automatic. There is no magic formula for determining the date that your check arrives. And, the IRS is reminding taxpayers not to contact their financial institutions or the IRS with payment timing questions. Payments will be automatic for eligible taxpayers who filed a 2019 tax return, those who receive Social Security retirement, survivor or disability benefits, SSDI, railroad retirement benefits as well as supplemental security income, SSI, and Veterans Affairs beneficiaries who didn't file a tax return. If you're in this group and you don't receive a payment for any reason, you can claim your payment when you file a 2020 tax return. Payments will also be automatic for anyone who successfully registered for the first payment online at irs.gov using the agency's non-filers tool by November 21, 2020, or who submitted a simplified tax return that has been processed by the IRS. Eligible individuals will receive checks of up to $600 for individuals, $1,200 for married couples, and up to $600 for each qualifying child. The amount of the checks would start to phase out for those earning more than $75,000, $150,000 for joint returns and $112,500 for heads of household. As before, dependents who are 17 and older are not eligible for the child payment. This is important to understand because there had been some discussions about changing the eligibility for dependents. That did not happen. You can find out more about phase-outs and eligibility here. Additional information is also available on the Internal Revenue Service (IRS) website at irs.gov/ape. As with the first round of stimulus checks, most folks will receive payment by direct deposit. Social Security and other beneficiaries who received the first round of stimulus checks via Direct Express will receive this second payment the same way. If you didn't receive your earlier stimulus payment by direct deposit, you will likely receive a check or, in some instances, a debit card. If you don't receive a direct deposit by early January, watch the mail for either a paper check or a debit card.